Hopefully this lighting is okay. If not, it will definitely be edited.
Oh my god, where did you get such a big makeup bag?
It's from the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star collection. So yesterday when I got home, I had this waiting for me, and my friend had already picked up the other package that I received the day before because I was scared. There's air on my mouth. I was scared that, I don't know, someone would take it or something. But anyways, I officially went and got it, and and then I got 2 lip glosses, but those are not mine. Those are for my sisters. And then the mirror, of course. Okay, for real, I have not been this inspired in the longest time. Also, don't mind my like headband moment. I just showered and I don't want it in my face. Now, I will tell y'all right off the bat that all these colors will not look good on my face because your girl is not light enough. But the great thing about his lipsticks is that you can also use his lipsticks for like your eyes, like eyeliner and stuff. So if anything, I might use it for that because I feel like it could look pretty bomb. I almost cried last night while I was like opening all this, like almost cried. And I was screaming a ton because I couldn't help it, and I'm like, oh my god, I probably shouldn't scream this much because my neighbors are gonna call the cops and be like, oh my god, someone's getting kidnapped. No, it's just Abigail opening up all her makeup. So, as you can see, this is it! It's so pretty! Honestly, I really want to go to like the airport and do my makeup and just be like, but anyways, that's just, you know, okay, this has been broken for the longest time. Urban Decay, please send me more primer. No! No! My nail just dipped into the color. Did it again! Okay, here's my issue. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Can we just, wow, wow. Okay, well, they're gonna get dirty anyways. But I literally was like, okay, whatever you do, Abigail, do not do that. What did I just do? I just got these stiletto nails and like, I was like, oh my god, it's gonna look like I'm thriving. Or you're gonna stab your new collection. Whatever. I thought it would look cute. Also, I have eczema on my eyelids, so don't mind that. I'm gonna use this primer. This is the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer for my face. Y'all, I've like, everybody in my house knows about this palette now. Like, I made my dad watch videos on this palette and he kind of was like, oh my god, Abigail. But I don't care, like. So I saw this like look on Instagram. It was not using this palette, it was using like other colors. It was like a neutral look, but it looked so pretty, and I'm gonna try and recreate it as best as I can, but with my own like thing. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna use Food Videos, Cheese Dust, and Flaming Hot. Those are the 3 that I really, really, really want to use. And then I might like add stuff as I go. I'm gonna use my Morphe M321 brush, and I'm going to, this one has a mirror too. Yes. Okay, I'm going to use Flaming Hot. Yeah, Flaming Hot all over my crease. Okay, I will say the red is a lot pinker than I thought it would be. It's like I don't know, but it's pretty. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase. Okay. Yes. Honestly, okay, I'd heard that some people said when they had eczema, like, that it wouldn't stick to those areas, and at least I feel like Flaming Hot is sticking to even those patchy areas. That's kind of nasty, but I'm sorry, they're my eyelids. So now that I've got red basically on both, don't make fun of me if they look a little different, okay? Whatever. I'm gonna use, this is my Morphe M505. It's like a really big, like, fluffy brush. You don't want a dense brush for this because I'm gonna try and blend out the edges with, I think I'm gonna use my pills, because it just feels like a good, like, I guess, blending out color. So I'm gonna go in with my pills and just try and blend that a little bit out. So we're gonna get real up and close and personal, but I just couldn't deal with that horrible lining situation anymore. So I'm gonna just blend out, as you can see, I guess, this area, oh my god, it was blending out so much better than I thought it was with my pills. I'm almost run out of this Makeup Forever HD concealer, and I have it in the shade 22, but because I'm almost run out, I don't really care what happens to it, so I'm just using that to kind of use on my lid. So the M421, the Morphe brush M421 is the one that I'm going to use to pack the color on after I've cut the crease, but I should have brought the other ones. I know I had another one like this one, and I don't actually know where it is. I think I left it at home. But anyways, I'm going to cut my crease with this one. So wherever, do you see like where it got all up here? That's where my crease is going to be cut. To see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. I'm going to go with this one, and I'm just gonna clean it again because I don't know where the other one is. This one, and dip into, which is the M421, and dip into food videos, and I'm super pumped about this one. If anything, I think I might actually wet my brush. So I'm going to use the Ofra Makeup Fixer. Now this one's a really good like setting spray because I was using the MAC Fix Plus and it was kind of, this is going to sound so stupid, but it was too wet for me. It would like make my highlight, because I apply highlight after, it made my highlight kind of look weird. So I like this one. It does smell like baby wipes. I don't know why it does, but it does. And I do like, other than that, I really do like it though. Oh, yes.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
So I have this kind of look right now. Can you see that? Okay, so that's what I'm going to try and mimic on the other eye. I will say that it's a little bit more orangey than I expected, but I'm going to try and make it a little bit more yellow. Okay, can we just, wow. And then this one's like all janky, like Abby. I tried fixing it. My eyes are just always not the same. Whatever. Ow, oh, my leg fell asleep. Oh my god. My leg is so asleep. Have y'all ever heard that like if it's asleep, lick it? Like not lick your leg, like lick your finger and then like touch it? One time I told somebody that and they looked at me like I was stupid. That's what my mom used to tell me. Maybe she just told me that because like psychologically I'd be like, oh my god, it doesn't hurt anymore. But anyways, try it out. Okay, so I'm going to use that same brush. I'm pretty sure Cheese Dust is gonna be like way more pigmented, so I don't really think it matters that it's still slightly dirty. But if that like triggers you, then use a clean one. So I'm gonna take some of my Boing concealer. Honestly, this has been absolutely, can you see that? It's been absolutely amazing. Also, nails, hello. I don't care that it almost no, I do care that I almost ruined my conspiracy palette. But honestly, like they're so pretty. Like they make me feel like Cardi, like you know. So I'm gonna take this and just kind of redefine that line.
And on we'll go.
Okay, whew. Now before this like messes up the rest because of my hooded eyelids, I'm going to go ahead and use cheese dust.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the.
Honestly, if I had, ooh, okay, it's showing up like really, really bright on the camera, and maybe it's just because I'm indoors and like, I don't know, but it just doesn't seem like super bright. So if I did have like a lipstick that was yellow, which I don't know, maybe that's a thing, or like an eyeliner that was yellow, I would probably go over it.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll.
So now what I'm gonna do is grab my my makeup remover wipe, and I'm going to take it from here, from like where my eyebrow ends, down. To where I'd probably want like my eyeliner to go. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is do like my my eyeliner with concealer, and yes, I'm using the same brush. So I'm gonna take another Morphe brush. This one is the M213, and it's like a smudger brush, but I think it's small enough to where it would, you see that? Oh, it's so tiny! To where it would be able to fill in exactly where that line goes. And using that, I think I'm gonna use, originally I was gonna do food videos, and now I'm like wondering if I should do something else. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna do something else. I'm gonna use ranch, all in that liner area. Ooh, it's like nice and buttery. Don't worry about, oh, whoa there, sorry. Don't worry about this area. That we're gonna clean up with the foundation. That's why I always do my eyes first, because like I said, I'm pretty messy. That's as good as we're gonna get it, okay? So now what I wanna do is probably fix my face with some, what is it called? Foundation. So I'm back. This is basically how my foundation looks now. And what I did was I just kind of went and really tried to make that line way like. Now that I've got that though, what I'm gonna do is, I don't want to get any foundation on my white sweater. I think I just did though. Now that I've got this sort of look, what I want to do is I'm going to actually use one of the lipsticks on my eyes. I do not think that a look like this would be best with a really bright lip, in my opinion. So I want to do more of a nude lip. So from these, I originally was going to do this one, the Are You Filming, on my eyes, but I'm actually leaning more towards Jeffree with the F, just because I feel like the color of Flaming Hot turned out a little more pink in person. So I feel like this one would be perfect. Also, I wasn't really supposed to put any mascara on my eyelashes because I just got them done the other day. But honestly, I might, because I feel like this is a bold statement. So I just got this Morphe M443. Can you see that? It's so tiny. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Maybe I should have done the Are You Filming? Well, I guess we'll find out. So I'm just gonna cut. I smell it now. Yep. Definite root beer scent. I was like, I'd completely forgotten that they all said that it smells like root beer. But anyways. Oh my god. Yes. And then I'm I'm gonna try and outline it. So I believe this one that we use for ranch and all of that is the smudger brush, the M213, I believe is the smudger brush, sorry. And I think that with this one, I'm also gonna go ahead and use it for smudging my liner. So I think I'm gonna go in with Flaming Hot again. And then just kind of put that right underneath. I'm back. I have not straightened my hair, so don't mind that. Okay, so I did add Just a Theory as a highlight. I don't know if you can tell, but oh, whoa. Whoa! But Just a Theory was a little too dark for my skin tone. So if you have a slightly darker skin tone, you should totally try it because it's absolutely gorgeous. And then to kind of even it out, I kind of used Ranch. As you can see, Ranch is popping. Like, oh my god. Oh. Anyway, so I used a little bit of that. I did want to come back on here and do a little bit of Ranch on my bottom of my brows. Just like that. And then same thing on this side. And then really make sure that it's packed into this inner corner. Just like, whoa, yeah. Okay, now there's that. What I'm gonna do is put some mascara on and then I'll be back. So I ended up not even straightening my hair because I kind of liked the waves in it. And I burned myself. Look at that. Well, you can't really see it, but it hurt. Okay, if I have lipstick in my teeth, just pretend I don't. So basically, this is the look. Honestly, like, I dig it. And it looks super bomb, I feel like, when the light hits it. So I feel like outside it's gonna look super pretty. But I also wanted to do neutral looks. So yeah, if you guys, because I've heard so many people say they don't think that they could have gotten this palette just because the colors weren't very neutral friendly. Which, it looks like that. But honestly, the whole top row is neutral. The whole bottom row is like great to switch it up to evening. So if you guys want to watch something like that, let me know. Also, where was I going with this? All of this is going to be in the description box below. Yeah, so comment if you guys want to see some neutral looks with the palette. I do have one other video that I want to film with this palette. And like obviously the one with the mini controversy. Honestly, like, I want to cry, but then I just ruin what I just spent literally like probably an hour and a half doing. I think it's been 2 hours and a half. Anyways, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the little bell. Bye!